Can you mail order guns in Canada? Yes, but there are strict guidelines to follow. At BC Firearms Academy, we're committed to providing education and resources to help you navigate firearms regulations safely and responsibly. Here are the basics of shipping firearms in Canada. Ensure the firearm is unloaded. Remove the bolt or bolt carrier if possible. Use a secure locking device like a trigger or cable lock. Lock the firearm in a sturdy, non-transparent container. Use anonymous outer packaging without markings or advertisements about the contents. Follow all municipal, provincial, and federal regulations. Firearms can only be shipped via regular or expedited parcel and must include the proof of age option. Remember, this information is not legal advice. For detailed guidance, consult legal professionals or the Canadian Firearms Program. Ready to expand your firearms knowledge? Visit BC Firearms Academy for free online PAL and ARCA study materials, in-person CFSC, CRFSC courses, and monthly WATC proof of proficiency sessions. Empower your learning journey today.